is all set to launch its latest product, the Smart Band 8 Pro. It will feature a larger display compared to the predecessors. The display has grown to 1.74 inches, putting in the league of modern smartwatches like Apple Watch. The launch will take place next week in China. The upcoming Xiaomi launch event is expected to last about 3 hours. It's going to be the biggest and longest in the company history. Alongside Xiaomi co-founder Lei Jun-Speed, the event will feature a large number of devices like the Mi Fold 3 and the Xiaomi Pad 6 Max. According to Excitement, Xiaomi released a teaser showing the smart band servicing Xiaomi Smart Band 7, available on platforms such as Amazon. The Chinese market is getting ready for the Pro. Compared to the predecessor 1.64-inch AMOLED screen, the Smart Band will have 60 Hz 336 pixel density and maximum of 6.7 million displayable colors. The specification bring it closer to dimensions of smartwatch. Xiaomi also promises a wide range of bracelets in various colors and styles. The widgets will resemble those of the smartwatches, allowing users to use media players and heart rate information simultaneously.